Hey guys, today we're over here at Shakamak State Park outside the little town of Jasonville, Indiana. We are getting ready to hike Trail 3. Okay guys, the trailhead is right across the road from the camp store. Camp store is closed for the season, but then spring and summer and early fall you can get cold drinks and snacks in there and a few other things. So it's right across the road. So you'll be crossing over several wooden structures and climbing up some stairs, but they're all very solid, well made, and they're not real steep on the stairs. Just something to be aware of. So the majority of Trail 3 is going to go through an old growth forest. You'll see different types of trees and out there, clusters of evergreens, pine trees from time to time. But along the way, you're going to come to where 3 trails converge. There's going to be trails 3, 4, and 6. They all come together to a little spot, this intersection in the trail. It's very well marked, so you should be fine. But if you look off to your left, you're going to see a stairwell that goes up to Trail 4, which leads you back to the campground. And off to the left of that is Trail 6, which keeps going. And then you can see a little bit of Lake Lanape straight ahead. I'm probably not saying it right, but you keep going straight, and you're going to come up to where you will take a right turn to be on Trail 6 or go straight on Trail 3. So we're doing Trail 3. We'll keep going straight. So just to be aware of that intersection. All right, guys, we just finished up Trail 3. Pretty easy hike. It's got a few structures, a few bridges you're going to cross, and then you're going to have some stairs to navigate. But all in all, pretty nice trail, well defined, well marked. A few exposed routes to watch for. You'll be walking along the shore of Lake Lanape, if I'm saying that correctly. And toward the end, as you're finishing up, you're going to get a view of Lake Kickapoo. And you can hear some of the migratory birds in the background, I think, that you're liable to see along the way. So all in all, nice trail, easy to possibly moderate depending on your physical condition. But all in all, very doable hike, very enjoyable through an old growth forest. You see a few pine trees. So yeah, highly recommend it. Over here at Shakamak State Park, Trail 3. All right, guys, take care, and I'll chat with you on the next adventure.